Hi, welcome to Victoria's Garden. Aside from 6 hours of full sunlight per day, watering your dragon fruit is vital too. Rainwater is perfect choice for plants and for gardeners and farmers, as it's freely available if you're able to collect it. Tap water requires treatment and energy to deliver it to our farms and gardens. It can contain more minerals than plant needs. But too much water or heavy rains may damage your dragon fruit. As we all know, wet and damp conditions make it perfect for the proliferation of various fungi. As mentioned in my previous videos, fungus thrive during rainy season. It is important to be more observant during this type of weather. Continuous maintenance of fungicide, either organic or inorganic, will keep your dragon fruit healthy and free from any fungal diseases. Another thing to consider is the structure of your soil. If it is too wet and drenched, they can suffer from root rot and other problems because of inadequate drainage or ventilation. The microorganism community in your soil literally drowns. Heavy rains can affect your dragon fruit and soil integrity. Clay-based soils can hold more water within their structure. Adding organic matter increases the water-holding capacity of most soils. Soil shortages of phosphorus are uncommon, but may occur in areas with high rainfall and heavy clay soil. Phosphorus is needed for healthy roots and shoot growth. It is essential to continue the checking and maintenance regime to avoid the threats and fungus. As always been said, there is no substitute in proper maintenance and continuous learning in farming. Keep safe everyone. Happy farming!